Wow, the story of my life. Wooded lots, ready to go, new construction. I'm on location in Millbridge, and I thought it was great a couple, 3 years ago when MI Homes started building ranch and a half homes over in Millbridge, where I am. And wow, just fantastic, because you had a group of a lot of people probably retiring, downsizing, relocating. But now look what DR Horton has done back here in Millbridge. About 100 ranch and a half homes priced really right. I'm coming up on some of the inventory homes right now. And these are some of the really popular plans, like the Bristol and oh my gosh, look at that. That's just good looking. That triple gable, it's a nice little bungalow right there. And they're just stacked up. So you're gonna find a lot of people just like you that maybe have kids in Millbridge, and but yet want to live in a section of people that may be more like them than different. And who buys ranch houses? Do millennials buy them? Well, actually, yes. I'm seeing more and more millennials show an interest in ranch homes. But generally, people like you and me that want to avoid steps. I love hearing a compressor and a nail gun. That's just progress to me. So you're retiring. Look at the trees behind that puppy. Reference lot 1820. And right along here, 1821. Now, there are a bunch of houses here for sale. What's the price? In the $3 to $350-ish range. That's current pricing today. If you see this video in 2019 or 2020, it may be more. But about 100 ranch homes back here in the back in Millbridge, and some wooded lots. This is great. So give me a call at 704-345-3400, especially if you got kids and grandkids at Millbridge, which is a large and fabulous subdivision with the community house amenity center, lazy river, covered basketball court, by the covered bridge over there in Waxhaw. So give me a call, 704-345-3400. Please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll be aware and alerted. Ring the bell for notification. You'll be alerted of new videos that are coming out regularly. And again, give me a call. I had a lady call me the other day from, I think, New York, and she said, I just wanted to see if, like you say, that you will answer your phone. And I did, and we had a good little laugh. I'm a small boutique, niche real estate agent. I'm not sitting on the 25th floor of the Bank of America building. You think I am with a cool phone number like 704-345-3400, but I'm a little guy, and I'm personal and relational. So I can't wait to help you with your new home purchase. By the way, here's the back of that azalea floor plan, which is the DR Horton model in this section. And you can type in the word azalea in the search bar of my YouTube channel and see video tours. I've got 2 or 3 of them in there. It's a great plan. And I can't wait to help you in your relocation to Charlotte. Let's talk soon.